Cyber threats are constantly evolving. Organizations need a systematic approach to strengthen their cybersecurity posture. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework offers a roadmap for organizations to identify, protect, detect, respond to, and recover from cybersecurity incidents. Today, Short Arm Solutions Cyber Pro podcast is going to highlight the Identify phase, the first of 5 videos on the NIST Cybersecurity Framework in 5 minutes or less. The Identify phase is like the opening scene of a cyber detective movie. It's all about figuring out what you've got, who you are, and what's at risk. This step involves understanding and managing cybersecurity risks. It includes asset management, risk assessment, and governance. Think of Identify as the moment you realize you're in a Scooby-Doo mystery. You need to know what bad guys you're up against. This phase helps organizations understand their cyber risks and assets. In Identify, you become a digital scavenger hunter seeking out clues, and you're put on a mission to find all your digital treasures, your assets, and possibly some booby traps, or men in masks pretending to be a ghost caught by those pesky kids. This focus on asset management is like creating a treasure map. You need to know where your treasure chest's data are buried. It's essential to identify and correctly catalog those digital assets. This carries over to risk assessment, which is like searching for clues at a crime scene. You're looking for potential threats and vulnerabilities. Understanding your business environment is like having a crystal ball that shows you future challenges and opportunities. It's essential to see the bigger picture and adapt your cybersecurity strategy. Another portion of Identify is governance, which is like appointing a cyber sheriff to maintain order in the wild west of the digital frontier. It sets the rules and ensures everyone in the town plays by them. Each business is going to have to align to the compliance and/or security framework that is part of their industry. Understanding your regulatory requirements first is a key to the governance portion of the Identify NIST stage. If you do not have regulatory compliance requirements, then you should work to align your business with industry standards and best practices that will help you create a compliance framework to offset the need for governance. Clarity. Identify brings clarity, helps you understand your digital landscape. It brings risk awareness. It increases your risk awareness so you can steer clear of pitfalls. It has prioritization. It helps you prioritize what you need to protect. These are the benefits, and in order to gain these benefits, you need to catalog your digital assets, collect information on potential risks and vulnerabilities, and prepare a team to help you with those future investigations and responses. Think incident response planning, business continuity planning, disaster recovery. These all fit together. The superpower of the Identify phase is foresight and insight. This component identifies and understands the threats and vulnerabilities within your digital realm. The Marvel equivalent superhero would be Dr. Strange because he can foresee and manipulate those future events. The DC equivalent is the Question, a master detective with a keen ability to uncover those hidden truths. In conclusion, the Identify phase of the NIST Cybersecurity Framework is your digital treasure hunt. It helps you understand your digital assets, assess risks, and prepare for the wild west of cyberspace.